Hello friends, now here we solve remaining question of exercise 9.6. Question number 9. Find the solution of x dy dx plus y minus x plus x into y cot x is equal to 0. Condition given x not equal to 0. Here x into dy dx plus y minus x plus xy cot x is equal to 0 given. So first change into linear equation form, linear differential equation. Y minus x plus xy cot x is equal to 0 given. Minus x take this side, so we get here x dy dx plus here from these two terms y take common, y into 1 plus x cot x is equal to x take this side, so x. Now dividing by x, here we get dy dx plus y into 1 plus x cot x upon x is equal to 1. Therefore dy dx plus y into 1 upon x plus x cancel, cot x is equal to 1. Clear? So in this type of linear differential equation, simplify this and change into linear equation form. So this is a linear differential equation. Here P is equal to dy dx given. So P is equal to function of x 1 upon x plus cot x and q is equal to 1. Now find integrating factor if. We know that if is equal to e raised to integration p dx. So is equal to e raised to integration p is equal to 1 upon x plus cot x dx. So is equal to e raised to integration of 1 upon x is equal to log mod x plus integration of cot x is equal to log mod sin x. Clear? So if is equal to becomes e raised to log x into sin x. So is equal to x sin x. Now solution of this linear differential equation is y into if, that is x sin x, is equal to integration q is equal to 1 into if x sin x dx plus c. So is equal to, now integration of x sin x is equal to, we know that by part, get integration of this x integration sin x minus integration derivative of x integration sin x dx whole dx So is equal to x integration of sin x is equal to minus cos x minus integration derivative of x is equal to 1 into integration of sin x is equal to minus cos x. So minus minus become plus cos x dx. So is equal to minus x cos x integration of cos x is equal to minus sin x plus here plus c given. So solution of this linear differential equation is x into y into sin x is equal to minus x cos x minus sin x plus c. Clear? Now question number 10. X plus y dy dx is equal to 1. Separate dy dx. For this x plus y into dy dx is equal to 1 given. So dy dx take this side. So we get here x plus y is equal to dx dy. Clear? Therefore, now x take this side. So we get dx dy minus x is equal to y. So this becomes linear differential equation. Here dx dy given. So p is equal to function of y. Here constant function given minus 1. Here p is equal to minus 1 and q is equal to y. Now find the integrating factor if is equal to e raised to integration p, that is minus 1 dx. So is equal to e raised to minus integration of 1 with respect to here y given, y is a y. So e raised to minus y. Okay. Remember this here. Dx dy given. So p is a function of y or constant function. Here constant function. So here we get integration with respect to y because p is function of y or constant. So integrand factor is equal to e raised to minus y. So solution is equal to x into integrating factor e raised to minus y is equal to integration q is a y into integrating factor e raised to minus y dy. So is equal to, now by part integration of this is equal to y integration e raised to minus y dy minus integration dy of y integration e raised to minus y dy plus dy plus c. So is equal to integration of this is equal to y into e raised to minus y upon minus 1 minus derivative of y with respect to y is equal to 1. Integration of this is equal to e raised to minus y upon minus 1 dy plus c. So is equal to minus y into e raised to minus y minus minus plus integration e raised to minus y dy plus c. So is equal to minus y into e raised to minus y integration of this is equal to e raised to minus y upon minus 1. So this become minus plus c is equal to x into e raised to minus y. Now dividing y raised to minus y, we get x is equal to minus y, so minus 1 plus c upon e raised to minus y is equal to c into e raised to y. Okay, that is x minus y minus 1 take this side, so plus y plus 1 is equal to c into e raised to y. This become solution. Now question number 11. Y dx plus x minus y square dy is equal to 0. Here y dx plus x minus y square dy equal to 0 given. So dividing by dy, we get y dx dy plus x minus y square is equal to 0. Now dividing by y, we get dx dy plus x upon y minus y is equal to 0. Y take this side, so we get dx dy plus x into 1 upon y is equal to y. Here this becomes a linear differential equation. Here dx dy given, so p is equal to function of y, that is 1 upon y. So p is equal to 1 upon y and q is a y. Now find integrating factor. IF is equal to e raised to integration p, that is 1 upon y dy is equal to e raised to log y is equal to y. So solution becomes, here dx dy given, so x into integrating factor y is equal to integration q is equal to y into integrating factor y dy plus c, so is equal to integration y square dy plus c, so is equal to integration of this is equal to, we know that y raised to 3 upon 3 plus a c, so x into y is equal to y raised to 3 upon 3 plus c. Dividing by y, we get x is equal to y raised to 2 upon 3 plus c into y raised to minus 1. This becomes solution. Clear? Now next question, question number 12. X plus 3y square dy dx is equal to y. Here dy dx take this side, so we get x plus 3y square is equal to y into dx dy. Therefore now dividing by y, we get x upon y plus 3y is equal to dx dy. Therefore now x upon y take this side, we get dx dy minus x upon y is equal to 3y. This becomes linear differential equation. Here p is equal to dx dy given, so p is a function of y or constant, so p is equal to minus 1 upon y, and q is equal to 3y. Now integrating factor if is equal to, we know that e raised to integration p here dy, p is a function of y, so we get integration with respect to y is equal to e raised to integration, here p is equal to minus 1 upon y dy is equal to e raised to minus integration of 1 upon y is equal to log mod y, minus write in a power form, so e raised to log y raised to minus 1 is equal to y raised to minus 1. So solution becomes, here dx dy given, so x into integrating factor e raised to log y raised to minus 1, that is y raised to minus 1 integrating factor is equal to integration q is equal to 3y into integrating factor y raised to minus 1 dy plus c. So is equal to 3 take outside, y into y raised to minus 1 is equal to 1 dy plus c is equal to 3 into integration of 1 with respect to y is equal to y plus c is equal to x into y raised to minus 1. Now y raised to minus 1 take this side, so we get x is equal to 3y upon y, that is 3y square, plus c upon y raised to minus 1, that it becomes cy. Okay, so this is a solution. Now for each of the differential equation given in exercise 13 to 15, find particular solution satisfying the given condition. In question number 13 to 15, we get particular solution from given differential equation using initial condition. Here in a 13, dy dx plus 2y into 10x is equal to sin x, and initial condition x is equal to pi by 3. Here differential equation dy dx plus 2y 10x is equal to sin x given. This is a linear differential equation because of dy dx plus y into px is equal to qx. Here p is a function of x and q is a function of x also. Here p is equal to 2 10x and q is equal to sin x. Now find integrating factor e raised to integration p, that is 2 10x dx. So is equal to e raised to 2 integration of 10x is equal to, we know that log mod sec x is equal to write in a power form, e raised to log sec square x is equal to e raised to log sec square x base e is equal to sec square x. Clear? Now solution is equal to, we know that here dy dx given, so y into integrating factor sec square x is equal to integration q is a sin x into integrating factor sec square x dx plus c. So is equal to, here sec square x is equal to 1 upon cos square x. So this becomes sin x upon cos x into 1 upon cos x. That means integration sin x upon cos x, that is 10x into sec x dx plus c. So integration of this is equal to, we know that sec x plus c is equal to y into sec square x. Now dividing by sec square x, we get y is equal to sec x upon sec square x, that is 1 upon sec square x is equal to cos x plus c upon sec square x, that is a c into cos square x. Here initial condition given x is equal to pi by 3, then y is equal to 0. Replace x by pi by 3 and y by 0. In this we get 0 is equal to cos pi by 3 plus c into cos square pi by 3. Therefore, cos pi by 3 is equal to 1 by 2 plus c into 1 by 2 square, that is 1 by 4. So 1 by 2 take this side. So c upon 4 is equal to minus 1 by 2. 4 take this side. So c is equal to 4 upon 2, that is a minus 2. Therefore, particular solution is y is equal to cos x plus c is equal to 2 minus 2 into cos square x. Therefore, y is equal to cos x minus 2 cos square x. Clear? This is a particular solution. Now, question number 14. 1 plus x square dy dx plus 2xy is equal to 1 upon 1 plus x square given. And initial condition y is equal to 0 when x is equal to 1 given. Here 1 plus x square dy dx plus 2xy is equal to 1 upon 1 plus x square given. First, dividing by 1 plus x square, we get dy dx plus y into 2x upon 1 plus x square is equal to 1 upon 1 plus x square into 1 upon 1 plus x square become 1 plus x square raised to 2. Here, this is a linear differential equation. Dy dx plus y into p is equal to q. Here p is equal to 2x upon 1 plus x square. Here p is equal to 2x upon 1 plus x square. And q is equal to 1 upon 1 plus x square raised to 2. Now find integrating factor. E raised to integration dy dx given. So p dx is equal to e raised to integration. Here we take integration with respect to x because p is a function of x. Here p is equal to 2x upon 1 plus x square dx. So is equal to e raised to integration of this f dash x upon fx is equal to log mod fx, that is log mod 1 plus x square. So is equal to e raised to log 1 plus x square by g is equal to 1 plus x square. Clear? Therefore, solution is equal to, here dy dx given, so y into integrating factor 1 plus x square is equal to integration q is a 1 upon 1 plus x square raised to 2 into integrating factor 1 plus x square dx plus a c. So is equal to, here y into 1 plus x square is equal to integration 1 plus x square upon 1 plus x square raised to 2 becomes 1 upon 1 plus x square dx plus a c. And the integration of this is equal to, we know that 1 upon a is equal to 1, tan inverse x upon a equal to 1 plus a c, to y into 1 plus x square. So y into 1 plus x square is equal to tan inverse x plus c become general solution. Now using initial condition we get a particular solution. Replace x by 1 and y by 0 take. Therefore y equal to 0, so this becomes 0 is equal to, here tan inverse x is equal to 1 plus c. Therefore c is equal to tan inverse 1 is a pi by 4. pi by 4 take this side, so minus pi by 4. Therefore, particular solution becomes y into 1 plus x square is equal to tan inverse x, and the c is equal to minus pi by 4. Clear?